Welcome to the third vlog. We're continuing our ride on the dirt roads, kicking up some dust, taking a few turns, and then heading through the city on our way home. Marco will hit a few wheelies, we're enjoying the evening vibe, and at the end we'll get some shots of my exhaust shooting flames. I've decided to edit a fourth part too. This one will be all about riding through the city at night, and there are awesome shots of the exhaust shooting flames from the rear camera view. I think the fourth part is probably going to be the best one. It doesn't really show on the camera, but with all this dust I can barely see the road, and I'm wearing tinted goggles too. Once again, I'd like to introduce myself, especially for those who discovered my videos only recently and didn't see the intro. My name is Tommy Cash. I'm glad you're here, whether you're new or coming back again. I ride a Yamaha Raptor 700 Revolutions ATV, and most of the content on this channel will revolve around it. Most of the time it will be city rides, sometimes some off-road trips, and various ride videos. Basically everything that comes with riding. I've been riding for about a year, and during that whole time I've been trying to record my rides. That means I have plenty of footage. Now it's mainly about picking the best moments, editing them, and sharing them with you. I see this channel mainly as fun and a way to clear my head. Something where you can switch off, watch the ride, listen to the sound of the engine, and move on. No stress, just a pure ride in atmosphere. Interested in anything specific, whether it's about the Raptor, mods, gear, cameras, or riding itself, feel free to leave a comment. Don't worry about the language. You can write in any language. I'll translate the comments and I'll definitely reply. I want this to work as a community, not just one-way videos without interaction. Later, I found out that there is also a singer named Tommy Cash, but I want to assure you that it's not me. It's starting to get pretty dark now. We rolled out in a nearby village or a small town. I'm not even sure which it is, but it's probably a mini town, haha. It's super quiet here, a perfect spot for an evening ride. I'm looking around and already excited to cruise through here. Left, right, left, right. Do I go? Don't I go? Do I? Right. We'll stop at a parking lot. Marco will take a quick break. I'll set up the rear camera, and then we're heading into the city. Some of you might be interested in my personal goals for this year. If we manage to reach somewhere between 1,000 and 10,000 subscribers, I'll be more than happy. And most importantly, I want the videos to get as many views as possible, so I know I'm not doing this for nothing. My goals for 2025, as expected, I set a target of 100 subscribers. It was a small goal, but I only uploaded shorts videos throughout the year. Shots of us riding through the city at night. What do you think? Drop a comment and tell me if you prefer rear shots or front shots. Personally, I love the rear camera view, seeing the quad, the dust, and the city behind gives a totally different vibe, but the front camera shows all the adrenaline, speed, and turns. What do you think? Slowly but surely, we're reaching the end of the video. There'll be a few more shots of the exhaust shooting flames, and then we'll wrap it up. Don't forget to check out the next part. I think it'll be the fourth one, where we continue into the city at night with lots of shots of flames and wheelies. forget to leave a comment, like, dislike, subscribe, or hit the bell, and I'll see you on the night ride.